Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can start a completely new message on Slack, for example, to communicate with your workspace members and to share information with them, for instance. So let us dive right into it and show you how you can do it. Head over to Slack, log into your account and choose your workspace in the top left corner. Now guys, instead of diving into your channels, you may, for example, go through a direct messaging section here below and select a workspace member of yours to start a chat with him or her. Or alternatively, guys, simply click into that button here in the bottom left corner, create new, and select message here. And after that, simply enter the given recipient's name here or username at the top next to. Like, for example, you can go with yourself. You can send yourself messages, or you can go with users by simply selecting them from that list, or by entering the first letter, for example, to see them as suggested results below. Or you may go, for example, guys, with your channels and send, for example, a message to the entire channel or to various applications you have connected with your account. You can do that as well. So if you would like to send a new message to one of your contacts, simply select the given contact username and start sending your message here at the top. And that's how it works. You will see also the chat history listed here above if you have already talked to the given user. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. After that, enter your message here at the bottom where it says message, like test message or something like that. Press enter or click on that button here to send the message, and that will send the given message to your user or contact here in your workspace. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.